Simple and easy cherry tomato bread in the toaster oven. Dr. John A. Allocca. March 10, 26. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Puree. See recipe in the comment section. Recipe. Use organic ingredients where possible. 1½ cups water. 1/2 teaspoon Celtic sea salt. 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the pan and top. 1 10-ounce package of cherry or grape tomatoes, semi-processed. 1 bunch of fresh basil, finely chopped. 3 cups Einkorn all-purpose flour, 80% whole grain. 2 tablespoons non-aluminum baking powder. 2 teaspoons xanthan gum. Place the cherry tomatoes in a blender or food processor. Pulse a few times to get small pieces, but not puree. Mix all ingredients well with a wooden spoon in a 6-quart bowl in the order above. Add a fairly generous amount of olive oil to the bottom of a 9-inch by 13-inch by 1-inch pan. Spoon the mixture into the pan. Smooth the top of the mixture with a wet silicone spatula. Sprinkle a little olive oil on top and smooth again. Bake in a toaster oven or regular oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Puree and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on Essential Health, a journey to total mind-body wellness. Join the Essential Health program today because healing isn't just possible, it's essential.